Welcome to The Systems Thinker, a video series to help you know the whole, focus on the constraint and reach your goal. To fully understand an organization's culture, you'd need to be a social anthropologist. But even without such techniques, we can get our cultural compass to at least point towards the archetypes. Imagine two axes at right angles to each other. The y-axis being about stability and control at the bottom and flexibility and discretion at the top. The left-hand side of the x-axis is about internal focus and integration, whereas the right-hand side is about external focus and differentiation. Now create four quadrants within those axes. The bottom left is the hierarchy archetype, with a strong internal focus, stable structured and well coordinated, like a mining house. The top left, the clan archetype, similarly has a strong internal focus, but is more flexible, collaborative, friendly and family-like, like a healthcare provider. The bottom right is the market archetype, which has a strong external focus, is very stable, competitive and results-oriented, like an FMCG supplier. The top right, the adhocracy archetype, has a strong external focus but is flexible, innovative, dynamic and entrepreneurial, like a new product development organization. No enterprise is exclusively one or the other. Rather, every organization combines a mix of these archetypal attributes that, when surveyed, define a unique cultural footprint. Most times, when we survey these attributes of culture, there's a tension between how the culture is perceived and what the people who belong to the organization would like to see it become. If you want to develop a high-performance culture, it's worthwhile getting out your compass and seeing not only where the needle points, but also sensing where it's turning. That's your tip for better ways to do better work and redefine what's possible.